Taneja Aerospace and Aviation. Well, I have made multiple videos on this stock, and I guess this is my third or fourth video. And initially, I made the first video when the price was around 270, and currently it is trading near 700. So it has already turned into a multi-bagger. But many people are still looking for the opportunity to make an entry in this stock. So that is what I'm going to discuss in this video. I'm going to focus mainly on the price action of this stock, and I will let you know when can you make an entry or an re-entry if you already own the stock at a lower price. So make sure to watch this video till the end, but remember that this is not a stock recommendation advice. Please do your buying and selling based on your own risk, right? With that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to Financial Impulse. So, currently the time is 9:18. Market has just opened and Taneja Aerospace has gone up by already. Let me see, around 8%, 8 to 7% today. Okay, and this is what we are going to discuss here. You can see Taneja Aerospace gave a breakout above this level. I have already marked this level in blue line. Okay, and you can see this was acting as resistance multiple times, then came a big breakout, then little bit of sideways consolidation here, and today we are getting to see a kind of bullish candlestick. And the market has just opened just 4 minutes ago when I'm recording this, okay, early in the morning. And we have to wait for the day's close in order to see if the candlestick close at a higher price, it's a strong bullish candle, or it comes down even further. Only that will decide how strong the current momentum is. But let us check some of the basic things which you need to know. Okay, first of all, I'm switching to weekly time frame. Okay, in the weekly time frame, what we see is that we see the same breakout, and let's check the momentum indicators. What are they seeing? Okay, so let's focus one by one. So when we come to MACD, we are seeing that the momentum indicator has clearly given a crossover here near the breakout only. Okay, and then it has been going up nicely, and the momentum is strong. Okay, this is what the MACD says. So for long-term investors who have already invested at a lower price, somewhere around here 250, 260, for you it's a good opportunity, to make some big gains. If you don't want to add any more stock, then just keep holding it. No need to add some more units if you really don't want to. Okay, just keep holding it and stay with it until it gives a strong bearish signal, and then you can consider exiting. For now it is all good, no problem for the long term investor. For positional trader also the same thing. If you are holding it, you can stay with it. The main reason being that the stock is still trading nicely above the 40 weeks moving average or the 200 days moving average, and in fact you can see it has recently touched, okay, just before this breakout. That means it has a lot of potential, it has a lot of rally to do. Okay, if things go well, definitely it should continue giving this continuing this rally. And when we come to RSI, we are getting to see the similar thing. Okay, we see the break above the 60 level here, and then the RSI level was sustained above 60 and also above the moving average, this black line, and it has been going sideways from here. So what I think it could do is continue going like this, and the stock could continue going higher from this point. Okay, now for swing traders or even for the position traders who have not made their entry till now in this stock and they want to, I will give you some hints where you can make the entry. So you can consider this level as its nearest resistance. Okay, and see, if I go to daily time frame, I can see that the MACD is kind of going to give a crossover here, kind of, but until it has given, we cannot we get the confirmation. And same with RSI, it is kind of going to stay above the 60 level. So what we have to wait, we have to wait for today's day close. Today is 16th July. Okay, so we have to wait for the candlestick to close. If the close is a stronger one, strong green candle, okay, and the next day also, in 1 hour time frame it starts showing strength, then you can make your entry around, I think the price will be around 700. If the stock remains strong, it could go above 70 today as well. But still, you have to follow the rules. You have to wait for the crossover in MACD to happen, the stock to stay above 60 in RSI, and also the candlestick to close today. Give a strong close. Okay, currently it is trading in red, so let it be green. Only then you can make a fresh entry, but keep a tight stop loss, with either the 50 EMA or at least the 30 WMA. Okay, once the stock immediately breaks below the 30 ml line, okay, breaks below the 30 ml line, then you better exit, okay, because a temporary weakness could be coming, and there is no point in staying invested in the stock by at around 680. Let's say you have purchased at 680. There's no point in investing there and waiting till the stock comes to 500, 510, and waiting and calling it a long term investment. That is not a good strategy. Your money will be blocked. You could have invested it in some other goods emerging stocks. Okay, so that is all about Taneja Aerospace, and I hope this quick update video was helpful. This will mainly help the swing traders, or the people who have not invested at all in this stock at all. Then they can consider making a fresh entry. But please remember to do your own analysis once. Do not directly jump into the stock by just listening to this video and taking my advice. Right. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video if you consider it was valuable, and also subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done it. I will meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.